know the principles of success are powerful, but I feel so weak. Pathetic is more accurate. No matter how much I work, no matter how hard I try, I just never feel like I have what it takes. Okay, game face on. Smile. Don't mess this up, let's roll. So I'm curious, does anyone else have an ongoing war in your mind? I don't know about you, but so often I battle in my mind between thoughts of success and thoughts of failure.
You have the power within you to change your life. Right now, at this very moment, you possess an incredible ability, the ability to choose your thoughts. And that choice is the key to unlocking your full potential. Negative thinking is a thief. It steals your joy, robs you of opportunities, and keeps you trapped in a cycle of self-doubt and fear. But today we are going to put an end to that. We are going to kill negative thinking once and for all.
You can think your way into stress. You can think your way into misery, frustration. But if you change your mind, it'll change your life.
If you're thinking about quitting, you're thinking about giving up, this is for you. Don't give up. Don't give up. Stay in it. Stay focused.